There are so many great ways to cook eggs. From scrambled to poached or over easy, everyone has their favourite way and their perfect process. But did you know you can cook eggs in the microwave? Yes, you can. And it's a game changer if you need to save time or don't have access to a full kitchen. As a disclaimer, if you remember the exploding eggs TikTok challenge, please don't do that. It's dangerous and people can get injured. And we want to eat, not end up in emergency. Poached eggs in the microwave are actually brilliant and simple if you're smart about it. Add 125 ml of water and a teaspoon of white vinegar to a mug. Crack in your egg and poke the yolk with a skewer. This will stop your egg exploding while it cooks. Pop the mug in the microwave and cook it on high for 40 seconds. Do not go longer than that. What you get is a perfectly poached egg with a lovely runny yolk, and if you want it cooked a little bit longer, just pop it back in for 10 seconds at a time until it's perfect. Scoop it onto your toast, and your perfect microwave poached egg is served.